my name is Pradumna, and today I'll be showing you how you can send photos from your phone to any computer device. You can skip ahead to these times if there's something specific you are looking for. First, I will walk you through how you can send photos from your phone to your email. Click on the Photos app. Then you will see all the photos that you have in your phone. Click on the Select button on the top right. Then you can click on any photos that you'd like to select. Once you clicked on them, there should be a small blue check mark on the bottom right of the photo. After you're ready to send your group of photos, you can click on the square with an arrow on the bottom left corner. This will bring a pop-up menu up that has all the options that you can share with. We will be clicking on the mail icon. If you have not linked your email to your phone before, this screen will pop up saying Add Account. You can choose any of the email options that are listed there. After clicking on Google, I will be prompted to sign in. Once you have linked your account, you can go back to the Photos app. If you click on Mail and you get prompted with the same Add Account screen, you will have to close out of the apps. To do this, double-click the Home button and then swipe up on the two applications, the Photos application and the Settings application. After that, you can go back to your photos and then select your photos again. Click the square with the arrow, click on Mail, and then you will be prompted with this new screen. Here you will see the list of your photos. If you did not want to send these photos, you can always click Cancel on the top left and then Delete Draft. Or you can type in the email and then send it to the email of your choice. Right now, I'm going to send it to my own email so I can download it onto my computer in the future. And here I'll be prompted with what size I want. I'm going to click on Actual Size as the amount of photos I have sent will not cross the attachment limit. Once you've done that, the photos will be sent to your email. In order to download the photos from my email to my Mac computer, I will need to go to Gmail. Once I am in Gmail, I can see an email by me. In the email, you can see red square icons, which indicate that there are photos attached. After clicking into the email and scrolling down a bit, I can see the 5 attached photos that I have sent to myself. Slightly up and to the right of these photos, there is a arrow pointing down to a straight line. Clicking on that arrow will download a zipped file including these photos. Once the file is done downloading, I can click the little up arrow on the bottom left. Then click on Show Finder. This will have it automatically pop up into view. Once the file is in view, I can quickly press the mouse button twice, which will then unseal the zip file, giving me access to the photos. Now I can click and drag and select all the photos that I would like to move into my Photos folder on the right. Clicking and dragging will select them. After selecting them, I will have to click on one of the photos and then drag all the photos with that one photo into my Photos folder. Now all the photos are in my Photos folder. If you instead wanted to select only a few photos, you can click on one of the photos and then hold down the Command button on the bottom left of your keyboard. Then click on any other photos you would like to select. Now you can do the same process of dragging one of the photos, which will then drag the rest behind it. Alternatively, you can copy the photos into your Photos file. To do this, select on the photos that you want to copy, then hold down the Control button and then click with your mouse. This will then have this pop-up appear, which then you can click on the Copy button on the middle. After that, you can open up your Photos file, then again hold the Control button and then click with your mouse, and then click Paste. Now you have successfully duplicated your photos into the file, instead of moving them. To download the photos from my email to my Windows computer, I have to go to Gmail. On Gmail, I then click on the email labeled Me, with the little red icons that show that there are photos attached to the email. Once in the email, I can scroll down a little bit to see the photos that have been sent. After that, I can click on the download icon, which is the arrow pointing down to a straight line. Once I click on that, it should download a zipped file. After the file is done downloading, I can click the up arrow and then click Show in Folder. In the folder, I have to right-click the zip file, or if you're on a laptop, click with 2 fingers on the trackpad. This will have a pop-up menu appear, in which I can click Extract All. I click on the Extract button. This will open the seal to the zip file, allowing me access to the photos. New file will appear with all my photos. I can then click and drag my mouse and select all the photos. After selecting the photos, I can click on one of the photos and drag all of them together into my photos file. So there are all my photos in my photos file. I can also hold down the Control button located on the bottom left of the keyboard and click on individual photos that I want to move into my file. I can also duplicate my photos. To do that, I click on the photos that I want, right-click them, press Copy, and then go into my Photos file, right-click, and then click Paste. This will duplicate the files instead of moving them. And that is how you download your photos from your email onto your computer.